Hey guys, welcome back to Motivation and Box Trucking. I'm so excited to share this information with you. However, before we get into it, I need for you to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and most importantly, the share button. And pass this on to anyone you think needs some motivation. All right, let's get right into it. What's moving Louisiana? Louisiana is located in the southeastern region of the United States, bordered by Texas, Arkansas, and Mississippi. It is situated along the Gulf of America. Louisiana is a cultural oasis with French and Spanish and African influences. As a truck driver in the state of Louisiana, you can expect to bring in around $95,000 a year, which averages to about $1,700 a week. There are bustling cities, such as New Orleans and Baton Rouge, where you can find festivals and parties that attract hundreds of thousands of tourists to the state. But the state is also infamous for its mysterious swamps and bayous, which entice fishermen and wildlife lovers to the area as well. There are over 130,000 lane miles of roadways that web their way through the state of Louisiana. The major interstates are I-10, I-12, I-20, I-49, I-59, and I-55. First, we will explore the commodities in the state of Louisiana. A commodity is a raw material or primary agricultural product that can be bought or sold, such as copper or coffee. It is also a useful or valuable thing, such as water or time. The top agricultural commodity in the state of Louisiana are broilers, contributing $891 million a year. Next is sugarcane, both sugar and seed, at $776 million annually, soybeans at $724 million annually, corn at $514 million annually, and rice bringing in $444 million annually. Broilers must be properly transported for processing, and the process is meticulous. Catchers must be trained and are docked pay if the chickens are injured. Thousands of chickens from one local chicken farm can take 18 to 19 53-footers to haul the chickens to the processing centers. If you are interested in transporting broilers and other livestock in the state of Louisiana, be sure to visit the Louisiana Department of Agriculture and Forestry's website for pertinent information for transporting livestock in and out of the state. There is a USDA animal disease traceability regulation that you must comply with, and each state has regulations and requirements that you must adhere to. All of this can be found at interstatelivestock.com. Next, let's take a look at the agricultural exports that contribute to the Louisiana economy. An export is a commodity, article, or service sold abroad. The top agricultural exports are other plant products, which are parts of plants, usually not fruits or vegetables, often used for beverages, clothing, or building materials. These products contribute $516 million a year, ranking at number 11 in the United States. Soybeans are ranked number 18 in the U.S., contributing $396 million. Rice contributes $221 million, ranking in third in the United States. Livestock products contribute $180 million, ranking at number 7. And cotton contributes $138 million, ranking at number 13 in the U.S. Louisiana as a whole ranks the 29th state in agricultural exports. Now let's take a look at what items are commonly moved by trucks in the state of Louisiana other than agricultural commodities. First, we have both crude and light petroleum oils. In 2023, $39.5 billion of petroleum was exported, making it the state's top export. Next, we have seafood, with billions of dollars worth of exports yearly. Lastly is polyvinyl chloride, also known as PVC. The Shintech factory, located outside of Baton Rouge, is the world's largest producer of PVC. Hazmat endorsements and reefer trucks would be an ideal investment for your transportation company in the state of Louisiana. Next, let's see what Amazon Relay opportunities for box trucks are available. There are 2 facilities offering box truck loads out of Louisiana, BTR 9 in Port Allen and LFT 1 in Carencro. The facility in Mobile, Alabama also has loads that drop off in the eastern region of Louisiana. If you're interested in learning how to maximize your profits in your area with Amazon Relay, join us over on Patreon. There we share strategy and pro tips on how to be successful with Amazon Relay. We would love to have you as part of that community. Another great community to join would be the Louisiana Motor Transport Association. This is the perfect network to join to start and maintain a successful trucking company in the state of Louisiana. Visit lmta.la for great resources and networking events such as the annual Truck Driving Championship Banquet scheduled for March 1st this year, plus trucking advocacy events like the Call on Washington, where LMTA joins ATA to discuss the industry with congressional delegates. Thanks for joining us for another segment of What's Moving, a state trucking series. Be sure to check out all 50 states. Until next time, stay safe and stay motivated.